Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to borrow money from Chase Bank. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this tutorial right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is head over to the Chase Bank website, and this is because we can actually learn a bit about the loans and we can check what sort of interest we're actually going to be getting on the loan that we want. So here it says about Chase loans, and it says take advantage of credit you already have on your Chase credit card to get a flexible, lower APR loan with funds deposited directly into your bank account. So there's no credit check, there's low fixed APR, and there's absolutely zero fees. So this is a really good option for a personal loan. Now they do also offer loans for buying houses, so if you're looking to get a mortgage, you would want to head over to this page, and to actually start, you'd have to click this button here. But I'm assuming most of you want a personal loan, so you'll have to come to this page. So to set up the loan, it only takes 3 simple steps. And the first one is heading over to this section where it says My Chase Loan. And then you just want to choose your loan amount, and the minimum is $500 and the maximum is $16,000. Next, you have to choose a payment duration based on your loan amount. So this will be different depending what your loan is, but you just want to pick whichever one suits you best. Once you've chosen that, you'll receive the funds directly into your bank account in as little as 1 to 2 days. And then after you've done that, you can start paying back the loan in monthly payments for whatever time period you chose. So that is how you can borrow money from Chase Bank. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.